What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a Nissan Armada. This is a 2020 Armada here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So you're going to need to be in the vehicle with the vehicle running. And we're going to be looking at the dash, and the only two buttons we're going to be using are these two buttons here. We have what I'll be calling the square button and then the circle button. So go ahead and press the square button. Keep pressing it and scroll through until we get to this screen here. Once you get to this screen, press the circle button until you have maintenance highlighted. Then press the square button. Now you can set all these different items for this screen, but we're going to be specifically looking at the oil life. So once you have this screen highlighted, press the circle button until oil is highlighted. Press the square button. And then once you're on this page, go ahead and press the circle button till reset is highlighted, then press the square button. And then once you're on this page, go ahead and press the square button again. And mine was already set to 0 because I reset it before the video, but once you do what we just did, it'll go ahead and bring you down to 0 of 5,000. That's what it's calculating for your next oil change. So pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.